the screencast recording for my tutorial diagram. So the tutorial is a basic setup. It's pretty easy. Just you start off at the start of the game. It opens up. You go down to the main menu. The main menu is going to give you two options currently. It's going to give you a credit scene, which will then, once you look at the credits, you can go right back to the main menu. And then you go down to the tutorial scene, which is where the main part of this diagram is for. Inside the tutorial screen, you have immediately a set of tutorial text that is on screen that explains to the player how to play the game so that they know what they're doing when they start off the game. From there, once they accept the tutorial instructions by hitting continue, then it'll take them to allow them to utilize the bike controls. They have the brake button, going up to the brake button, right back to the bike controls, just because typically you're going to hit the brake button and then you're going to release it once you're done braking, going back to the regular controls. You can also utilize it to reverse for an amount for the bike. You also have the turn buttons, which I put in with the Excel buttons because typically you're going to utilize the Excel and the turn buttons at the same time. Then we go over here to the Excel buttons, and the Excel buttons, that's the button to move the player forward, allowing them to progress along the terrain to the final checkpoint, which we have here. And upon reaching that final checkpoint, the tutorial will be complete and it will move them on to the next scene, or in the current case it moves them to the credit scene.